Mistplay does not use a universal daily login bonus that gives every user the same reward just for opening the app. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay login rewards work, what actions actually help you earn units, and how to check for available bonuses inside the app. Mistplay is a rewards platform where users earn units by playing supported mobile games through the app. The main way to earn units is through gameplay activity, not simply opening the app. If you are checking Mistplay every day, the benefit is seeing new game offers, available rewards, and updates to your account. The games and opportunities shown can change over time. Open the Mistplay app regularly and check your available games before choosing what to play. Starting a game through Mistplay helps connect your activity to the reward system. Some users look for a daily login bonus because many reward apps offer one, but Mistplay's earning system is mainly based on playing eligible games and completing progress inside those games. To maximize your units, focus on games that are available in your account and match your playing habits. A game that you can consistently play and progress through may be more useful than one you stop using quickly. Keep Mistplay updated and make sure you are signed into the correct account. If the app cannot track your activity, your progress may not appear correctly. If you see a special promotion, bonus offer, or reward event inside Mistplay, check the details before starting. Promotions can have specific requirements that need to be completed. There is no guaranteed daily login reward amount that applies to every Mistplay user. Your available features, games, and offers may depend on your account and location. The easiest way to check what Mistplay currently offers is to open the app and review the sections available on your account. To summarize, Mistplay mainly rewards gameplay instead of a simple daily check-in. Checking the app regularly helps you find new earning opportunities, and starting games through Mistplay keeps your progress connected. Your next step is to open Mistplay, check your current game offers, and choose the games you are most likely to complete. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app explanations, and troubleshooting tips.